Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a VW Passat with a key. First, find the small cap on your driver's side door handle. This cap often hides the traditional keyhole. Gently pry it off to reveal the key slot. Insert your physical key all the way into the exposed keyhole. Turn the key firmly clockwise to engage the locking mechanism and unlock the door. This method is essential if your remote isn't working or the car battery is dead. Once the keyhole is visible, carefully insert your physical key. You'll need to turn the key approximately 90 degrees clockwise. You might feel a slight resistance or hear a click as the lock disengages. After turning, the door should be unlocked. Pull the door handle to confirm it's open. Remember, this is a mechanical process, so a firm but gentle turn is usually all that's needed to get inside your Passat. If the door doesn't unlock on the first try, ensure your key is fully inserted into the keyhole. Sometimes, debris can block the mechanism, so a quick visual check is helpful. If turning clockwise doesn't work, try turning the key counterclockwise. Some models might have a slightly different locking direction. Don't force the key, as this could damage the lock cylinder. A gentle wiggle while turning can sometimes help. Always keep your physical key handy, as it's your reliable backup for any remote issues or dead car batteries. If your remote frequently fails, it might be time to replace its battery to avoid future lockouts. This simple step can save you a lot of hassle. And speaking of keeping things fresh, check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fantastic. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.